Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate it. It's always a pleasure to bring you a new video. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about how to use CLOVES water properly. You know, lately, CLOVES water has been trending. Everyone is using CLOVES water to grow their hair, and I am one of the people who has been using CLOVES water. And from my own experience, I feel and I think that some people are doing it the wrong way, and some people could be giving the wrong information, and that could be the reason why you've been using CLOVES and you don't see the results. Okay, so where does your hair grow from? Your hair grows from where? From your scalp. Just like any plant, just like a tree. If we have healthy branches, leaves, it means the root is okay. And when you go to apply manure to your plant, where do you apply manure? To the root, because that is where everything comes from, the food and everything, okay, for the plant. So there's no way you can say you spray the CLOVES water on your hair and then expect good results. So where are we supposed to spray our CLOVES water? On our scalp, because that is where our hair grows from. So you need to apply your CLOVES water on your scalp and massage gently for better results. And apart from that, we have other factors that are involved. You're not gonna spray today and then expect results tomorrow. You will need to employ what? Patience and consistency. You see people having good hair, thick and long hair. They did not grow their hair in a day. No. It has taken some time, some years. Okay? So you will need to do it over and over. And this depends with your hair routine. If you wash your hair maybe weekly, you want to consider doing it on a weekly basis. Okay? So it depends with your hair routine. And also you need to have a good hair practice, my dear. Even if you're doing CLOVES water spray, onion juice, or all of those methods that can help you to grow your hair. You apply oils, whatever, and you don't have a good hair routine, your hair will not grow. If you don't have a good moisturizing routine, your hair will break off, because your hair will be growing and then you don't see the length because your hair breaks off. Because your hair needs to be what? To be moisturized. And maybe you just don't have even something as simple as hair bonnet, you know, something like that. Could be also the reason, you know, hair bonnet is supposed to protect your hair from breakage. Like, it's supposed to protect that moisture in your hair. Okay? So maybe you don't have something like that. So you need also to have a good hair routine. As much as you are doing CLOVES water spray on your hair, you also need to employ other factors. So hair growth is a combination of many factors. You cannot say you are just doing one thing and then you forget about others and then you expect good results. No, it is a combination of many factors, and it is work. And it's not for the faint-hearted. You need patience and you need consistency. You will always get the benefits from being consistent. That's something that I know. Patience and consistency, you will never go wrong. So make sure when you are applying the CLOVES water spray, you apply where? On your scalp, and you do what? You massage. Okay, another thing. Some people are boiling the CLOVES. Why will you boil something that you can soak it? I feel that when you soak it, you will get better results. Because when you soak it, you're gonna have the opportunity to get all the nutrients. But when you boil something, it means that some things you're gonna miss them because you are subjecting it to high temperatures by what? Boiling the cloves water. So even when you want to get that solution like that compound, you need to prepare early. Like maybe if I were to wash my hair maybe tomorrow, in the next maybe 2 days, I will soak my cloves today for 24 hours or 48 hours, and you will have your solution ready instead of what? Boiling it. Even those making cloves oil, you don't have a reason to boil it. You can just use your favorite natural oil and then crush the cloves and take the powder and then mix well and then just cover it well and put it away for 7 good days. You will have your nice good cloves oil. So you don't need to boil it. You will be killing the goodies in the cloves that you're supposed to be getting on your hair. So I feel and I think that boiling is not good. This is just my own suggestion. So on how you do it, it depends on you. If you want to boil it, that's upon you. If you want to soak it, that's upon you. But I feel not boiling the cloves, you can get the best results. Okay? And remember, you're gonna need to be consistent and patient and practice what? Good hair routine for you to get better results. Thank you so much for watching my video to this end. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscription button below so that you become part of this amazing community and so that you will not miss out on anything that I post on YouTube, because I post videos on a weekly basis. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It was nice seeing you here. Until next time, bye bye.